Hey, this is Steven again. In my two prior videos, I explained how I got the fan working on my air conditioner unit. This is the inside of my Trane air conditioner unit, furnace area and the fan area with the circuit board area. I explained how I changed the capacitor. When that didn't take care of it, we knew that it was the circuit board causing a problem, most likely. And so, in the meantime, while I ordered a new circuit board, I hardwired the power from this switch, ran it to the fan. I've now put that wiring back so the circuit board will send power to the fan and the normal fan circuit is closed. First step in replacing the circuit board is to get the model numbers off of here. You're not going to be able to see that. You can see the WR for White Rodgers. They make a bunch of thermostats. They also make this circuit board that goes in the Trane. When you plug in the numbers off that, like mine says it's 50A55-571. White Rodgers, I plugged in that model number onto the White Rodgers website and found that they have a new board that is being used now to replace that one and a few others. I have ordered that. It came in, and this is what the new board looks like. If you orient it like this, it looks about the same but more modern, and it has instructions. Now right side up, it has the error codes, and when that light turns on you can tell what the errors are and what the problem is. The orientation of this one worked best to be upside down to match, so it's going to have the exact same. I'm going to lean that there. As we got the wires to plug in the wires over here, the 12-prong plug, place for the 12-prong plug, place for a 4-prong plug, and the prongs right there, and then plugs along the side, which match the plugs I've got along the side here on mine. So the first step I'm going to do is take some pictures of exactly where those wires go, because I've got a bunch of plugs and wires and a big rat's nest here. I'm not a air conditioning tech, so I haven't memorized where all those go. So I'm going to take pictures of where those go. I'm going to unplug all the wires, pull this board off. The way you pull it off is by this one has these little tabs here. If you take a needle nose plier and push on those tabs there and wiggle them, and then pull the board forward, that will come off just like that. You do that to all 4 corners. They've made the new board to have holes in exactly the same spots, a couple different sets of holes to match, because this board replaces 3 or 4 different models of older boards that went in older furnaces like this one. This furnace was installed in the year 2000. It's now 2014, so it's 14 years old. So I'm going to stop this video, then create a part 2 for circuit board repair. Once I've undone all the wires, I'll mount the new one on and plug some of the wires back together. So these wires here, you just unscrew those. Each one, slide them out, keep track of where they go. This is called a Molex plastic plug. I'm just going to squeeze the tabs on the side of this and unplug that. Same thing goes for this one, and the rest of these little tabs, you just wiggle them, not by the wire, but pulling by the plastic base, just like your mom told you to when you unplug vacuum from the wall. Grab the plug, not the wire. We'll undo all those, and we'll put the new one on, and I'll show you a couple tricks I learned when I did this on another furnace I have. Thanks.